If you want to enhance your Instagram security by removing all devices from your account, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you manage your active sessions effectively. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account from which you want to remove all devices. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can access your account settings. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings at the bottom of the list to open your account settings. Step 4. Navigate to Security. Within the Settings menu, find and tap on Security. This section contains various options related to your account security, including login activity. Step 5. Review login activity. Tap on Login Activity to see a list of devices that are currently logged into your account. Review the list and tap on any device you want to remove. Select Logout to disconnect that device from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove all devices from your Instagram security settings, ensuring your account remains secure. Regularly checking your login activity is a good practice for maintaining your online safety.